Hi, it's Meredith Geoge. I did a hair makeover with Salon to help me transform my hair from dull blonde to a rich brunette. Keep on watching to see my transformation.
Hi Meredith, how are you? So this is Gail, the Business Development Manager of Salon 2. Tell us something about Salon 2.
Welcome to Salon 2. We're a 5-star full-service salon based in Tenerife and Windsor. At Salon 2, we have highly skilled professional stylists that specialise in blondes, balayage, ombres and the glossiest fuller colours.
Hi, so I'm here with Dan, the Senior Hairstylist of Salon 2.
Hi. Hi Meredith, what can I do for you today?
Yeah, hi. As you can see, my hair needs some pampering. I have dry hair and some, dullness on my color. So what do you think can do for me?
So we'll go through and even out some of these tones of blonde. We have your regrowth coming through, old color, and then some of that older processed blonde. So what we'll do is we'll go through, brighten up through around the face, give it some more dimension and depth in between your blonde, which will make your blonde stand out and make your hair look healthier. So I think if we put some shape around the face here, bring this up around your sort of chin area to shape in, trim up the very ends because we are doing a bit of a lightening service for you today. I'll also use the Wellerplex in your hair color. So that's going to help restructure the hair while we're doing your process, okay? So I've mixed this first amount of lightener with 6.5% and 9.5%. This is going to lift up Meredith's natural color as she has dark hair. The ends will be taking through a lighter volume lightener, and that won't be on there as long, and that's just to clean it out and make it a bit brighter without over-processing.
What I love about Salon 2, they have free champagne, wines and beers. Cheers!
So we have the regrowth, band of orange and blonde. So here I've used 6 and 9% through the regrowth and old band of old sort of permanent color, which is more brass orange. And then from the blonde, previously processed hair, I've used Blondor and 4%, and that's going to be a bit more gentle on those ends for us there. This has all got Wellerplex. Okay, so we've got a mixture of our blondes and our warms in there.
So Dan, for my hair, what treatment did you do? The maintenance and the aftercare?
We use, in your color, we use the Wellerplex. The Wellerplex is to help restructure the hair. And then we did the Wellerplex treatment, number 2, at the basin. And then we also have number 3, which you can take home and use, and that's to keep on top of it. We also have Assistant Professional. Now this is the color shampoo. That's also what we used in the basin. And for our second treatment was the color mask. And these are what you would use at home in the shower. And this one you'd use every 2nd to 3rd wash.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's basically my aftercare?
That's your aftercare. Always use a thermal protection when doing any heat styling, and you can always leave a nice leave-in serum, especially because you've lightened the ends. They're going to be a bit more porous, and that just helps smooth down the cuticle.
All right. So thank you, Dan, for my new fabulous hair. You brought new life to my hair.
My pleasure.
So head on to Salon 2 to get this kind of hair.